How to clean and clear the cache history of Android devices. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you need to simply go to settings. After that you need to search for apps. Here you guys will see app management. So simply click on app management. Now here you guys will see app management, app cloner, default apps, disable apps, recover system apps, special app access. So we will simply click on app management. Once you click on app management, you guys will see all the apps that are saved in your phone. So first of all, we cannot clear cache history automatically or on one click. We need to do it manually. So first of all I will start with big apps in my phone. For example, the big app is Binance, so I will simply click on it. After that I will click on storage usage. Here you guys can see cache was 15.3 MB, so I will simply click on clear cache. Once I click on it I will go back. Again I will search for another big app. So like that I will simply clear all apps cache. So once I clear all apps cache, my phone speed will be faster and the clear cache history will be deleted. Thanks for watching.